What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I always try to bring some kind of information that can help you out. Today I have to talk about very important something about Google Photos. Before I get into the details, I want to share a little story about it. Yesterday I had a customer. She came into the store and she was screaming, yelling, cursing, and she was really frustrated. She was saying that anytime she takes a picture, her husband gets it. They was going through a divorce. She broke up with her husband. She was saying anytime she takes a picture, her husband gets it. It's been like a few weeks. She went to the lawyer office. She signed all the legal documentations, and she took a picture of all the documentation. She thought that her phone is more secured in case she loses the documents, and in fact it is, but sometimes it's not. As you know that a lot of time we just use the phone, we never anticipating going in the details or hidden feature about the phone. So first I was trying to calm her down. I was telling her, ma'am, there is no way anybody can have access to the phone to your picture if they don't have the phone in their possessions. Then I thought that because they was together a few weeks ago, maybe her husband downloaded a third party app so he can spy and see all this information on her phone. But I went through the phone, but she don't had any kind of the third party app so he can see anything on her phone. As you know guys, a lot of time we take a photos, we take a picture, we take a screenshot of our bank account, we take a like a personal pictures, we make videos in our personal rooms with our with fiance or couples, whoever. And then she also was thinking that maybe he hired a private investigator to spy on her, even though the investigator cannot have the access to her pictures. But still I go through all her the phone, but I didn't see any kind of app that can share her pictures to her husband phone. And it's just not her, there is a lot of people can happen to them, but nobody can figure that out why the other person receiving their pictures, anytime she takes a picture, within seconds he received it. I mean, it can be any kind of pictures, you know what I mean? It can be a private picture or any kind of picture. If somebody can see that, it's kind of disturbing. So the time she took a picture of all the legal documentation about the divorce, her husband gets all the pictures and he shoot her a text message that I know what you're doing and stuff like that. And after that, I understand her frustration. If I was her, definitely I would be frustrated and stuff like that. Once she told me the story, and then I go to the Google Photos. If you have an Android, you should have the Google Photo pre-installed. If you only have the iPhone, you can download the Google Photos. Any phone exists, you can have the Google Photos on it. When you click on the Google Photos, how you can prevent this thing happen to you? When you go to the Google Photos, if you see the three dots on the corner, you click on that thing. You go to settings. If you see backup and sync, if you click on it, it's on. This means if you take any picture from your phone camera, it's go to the cloud. The cloud backup these pictures to save up for you. And if you come back and if you see that on the Google Photos, you have albums, it's for you, and then you have a sharing. If you click on the sharing, if you can see that you can add your partner account, it means you can add another Gmail account. So anytime you take a picture, it goes to this Gmail, it goes to this cloud, so they can see that what you've been taking. Even it's telling you that give your partner access to all your photos. And then how I found out that how he can see all his or her pictures and stuff like that. So we go ahead and remove that from her account. It was just a one incident. There is a lot of people out there, it can happen to them, and they even know that who can see their pictures. Somebody can ask you to borrow your phone and they can add, because it takes few seconds to add your Gmail account and they can see all your private pictures and stuff like that. So please guys, before if somebody asks you for your phone or if you do anything, always check your sharing and remove. If you added account by yourself, it's fine, but if somebody added, please make sure remove this account from your Google Photos. Thanks for watching. If you like that, share that, like that, and if you have any suggestion for me, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching.